How to log into Rakuten Viki online. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Rakuten Viki, or simply move into any of the web browser, and in the address bar, search for Rakuten Viki login. Now simply head over to the very first site, viki.com. It will be landing you on the page where you will be able to log in into your specific account. In order for you to log in, simply enter the email address associated with your account. Once entered, enter the password of your account. If you have forgotten the password, then simply click on Forgot Password and then recover it. Once done, click on Continue, and then your account will be logged in. So this is simply how you can log in into your Viki account. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.